Okay, just a quick video to kind of give an overview of the Logan files that are uploaded online. This is the Google Drive. We're looking at Logan 2026. There's a folder with just general useful files available online. You can look at these and get a feel for them. I'll be referring to them from time to time. The print folder contains PDF files which we print before going the first week, and they're used to build the headers. So a quick rundown of those. Let's look at the window header groups. And what we do is we group up windows based on similar characteristics. These are all type 1 windows that you'll find in the plan. This is the wall they're assigned to, the stud of the wall, the bonds, the header that used to build the header. At bottom cripples, the jacks, the wall that goes in, the king, seals, top cripples. So some of this is cut before you get there and by the component team, and so they can build the header itself, picture of this particular header, what it should look like. So we come down here. This is a same type window, different walls because of the height difference. These are 12-foot walls here, 11 to 8.5. We put a different header in here, but the seals, top and top cripples are the same. Top cripples are different, bottom cripples are the same. So plates are cut first day you get there. They'll have a sheet, but you should have this sheet also. It's a breakdown of the walls. These are not on the slab, so some of these are on platforms. This is a slab wall, yes, so we're going to get treated 427 feet, 27 16-footers. Jack list is pretty useful from time to time. You don't know, you got the header, you don't know the immediate jack. This is the alpha order, so you can look up a door, get the jack height. Hope to get the component team to label like a D150D header on the side with magic marker and add J80.625. And that's really the two immediate things you need for a door. Since I'm suggesting we do not cut top cripples except as we need them. And found we did it this way this year, worked very efficiently. Doors are just all the doors, door header groups, grouped up like windows, very similar. And then the cut list, which you'll want to keep handy, copy of it. And I use it to kind of keep track of where things are. And I'll point this out in a subsequent file I'm going to upload. And here's just to get you started. The header piece, how many they need, etc. That's all done to build the header. Jacks, we'll have a saw team cut them and label them J, whatever the length is. Possible exception for the windows since they're all the same, was on this job, but not always true. If you label them on the jack itself, you can't mess up. The kings or king studs, let's take the red here. These are I've got it marked wrong. These are red down here. Usually the tallest one is the red one. So I'll work on that. But need 164 2x6s, 20 feet, 8.5 inches. Green, typically the most common short, you see 370, 329. So 9 feet, 8.5 inches. And the rest of it you can work out. Bonds are used by the headers to build those. Don't need the top cripples. I said we're not going to cut those unless possibly the exception of windows if they're all uniform. Bottom cripples are in the windows only, so that's a safe cut. And seals. And then filler. So much for that. This will give you a general idea of where you need to be looking and what these files do. And these are printed pretty much the last week before they go. So there actually will be changed. It's been my experience that they tend to change as we make corrections, find errors, get changes from the plans. A lot of things cause them change, but they're simply whatever change is, you introduce it and recalculate, print a new list. So we will hold off on the actual physical printing to the last minute.